As a government land surveyor in Agartala, your role would be crucial in ensuring accurate and reliable data about land boundaries, topography, and other relevant information. Your expertise would be sought after by various government agencies and private individuals who require land surveying services. One reputable company that provides such services is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their extensive experience and expertise in the field, they are known for delivering high-quality surveying solutions to their clients. As a government land surveyor, your main responsibility would be to conduct surveys to determine the precise location and measurements of land boundaries. This information is essential for maintaining accurate records and resolving any disputes that may arise regarding property ownership or land use. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of this role and uses advanced technology and equipment to ensure precise and reliable surveying results. In addition to land boundary surveys, you may also be involved in topographic surveys, which provide valuable information about the natural and man-made features of a particular area. This data is crucial for urban planning, infrastructure development, and environmental conservation efforts. Scon Design India Private Ltd has a team of skilled professionals who are well-versed in conducting topographic surveys using state-of-the-art equipment, such as GPS and laser scanning technology. Working as a government land surveyor in Agartala, you would also collaborate with other professionals, such as engineers, architects, and urban planners, to ensure that land development projects comply with legal requirements and regulations. A government land surveyor plays a crucial role in ensuring accurate measurements and boundaries for public land. In Agartala, the capital city of Tripura, the presence of a skilled and experienced government land surveyor is essential for the efficient management and development of the region. One company that provides exceptional land surveying services in Agartala is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, they have established themselves as a reliable and trusted name in the field. The role of a government land surveyor in Agartala involves conducting surveys to determine the exact boundaries, locations, and measurements of public land. This information is vital for various purposes such as land acquisition, infrastructure development, and urban planning. A skilled surveyor ensures that all measurements are accurate and precise, using advanced tools and techniques to provide reliable data. Scon Design India Private Ltd has a team of highly qualified and experienced government land surveyors who possess in-depth knowledge of land surveying principles and practices. They are well-versed in using advanced surveying equipment such as GPS, total stations, and laser scanners to capture accurate data. This enables them to provide comprehensive reports and maps that are essential for decision-making processes. In addition to their technical expertise, Scon Design India Private Limited also understands